Lesson 20 Project Help video. The Queen has been studying unicorns for a while now. She feels like she might have a grasp of the way the unicorns are feeding and living in the kingdom. Help Queen Margaret finish her studies of unicorns by solving the last few problems. Queen Margaret has found a general equation for the strength of a unicorn, which is given by the function f of x equals 4 divided by x plus 6, where x represents the unicorn's age in years. The Queen has also determined another formula for the strength of the unicorn she is studying. In particular, is g of x equals 3 times the square root of x plus 4, where x represents the unicorn's age in years. If she finds the point where these two equations are equal, she will be able to determine the age of the unicorn in years. What are the solutions to the system? So I took both equations, f of x and g of s. I put it into a tool that solves for systems, and I graphed both of them. So here is my graph. The blue lines here is my 4 divided by x plus 6 equation, and the purple line here is my 3 times the square root of x plus 4. So as you can see, there's two intersections here by these red points. So from the graph, I was able to trace these two intersection points, and I got that the points are negative 2.12, comma 4.11, and 2.46, comma 7.63. So I just used the tool, graphed them, and then got what my intersection was off of the graphing software. So that's my 2 points for intersection. Refer to the previous question. Given that x represents the unicorn's age in years, which, if any, of the solutions are extraneous solutions? Well, if we look at our graph, if we're talking about age, it looks like our graph we have negative and positives. But for somebody's age, even for a unicorn's age, you can't have a negative age. You can't be a negative amount of years old. You can only be 0 to a positive amount of years old once you're born. So that means that our intersection point here to the left has a negative x value, which means that they would have a negative age. So that would be an extraneous solution because it doesn't make sense. So that was the point negative 2.12, comma 4.11. So it's extraneous because you can't have a negative age. Even for unicorns, they can't have a negative age. So that means that it's extraneous, that it wouldn't work out for this situation because it doesn't make sense in terms of a unicorn's age. Hope this helps out with your lesson 20 project.